Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we got some beautiful winter shoes to take a look at. We got the Nike Court Vision Mid-Winter and wow, am I excited for these ones. This is the first Nike winter shoes I ever have unboxed and reviewed, so let's jump right in. Oh, the new shoe smell here is incredible. Wow. Something different with the smell here. It's really the greatest smell, if you ask me. Of course, in the box view. And look at these beauties. Let's get them out. Wow. So I gotta say, these looks really cool. Let's get that off to the side. And first off, I toast to you guys. I always need my coffee. All right. So here we go. Really cool ones. I just love that they did a winter shoe of this kind. As we know, these shoes are really popular these days, of course not in the winter shoe but the normal one, and it really looks nice in the winter version too. I really love the beige with the white here. I gotta say, something I really didn't expect is how light they are. I guess this is no real leather. It's really not leather. It's synthetic, but it seems to be really great quality. Not too stiff, not too wobbly either. It's kind of perfect actually. This won't be too hard to walk around in. This seems to be really light and nice and have some great fabric. So as we can see, we got the iconic big logo as on the normal ones that you use in the summer. It goes all the way around the back here, really cool. All in the same color, I love that. It keeps it really clean. You get fake breathing holes up top here. These are not breathing holes, even though it looks like it. Just for the, so it looks like the summer ones. We got the beige laces, really beautiful, keeps it clean. You can also put it up in the tongue here so you can see, or you can just use it to get your shoes on your feet, so that's really nice. This will be easy to get on because of this. I like that. Also gives it that cool 3D look. The inside here is really big and cushiony, as you can see. It's made to keep your foot warm in some cold weather. It will also be waterproof all the way up to here, of course, to the lace area. So you can really use this in the snow and in the winter to play around with or whatever. All white on the bottom, really beautiful. You can see the Nike logo there and the iconic bottom. So all the same color on the inside as we saw in beige. I gotta say, I really like them. A cool winter shoe. I will definitely use this and test it out for a while. So this will be my go-to shoes now. Up to now, I've really been wearing some summer sneakers for my winter shoes. I actually use some up-tempos for some winter shoes. But you know, I drive around in my car, go to work and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't need winter shoes like this when I'm just going to work with my car and stuff. But of course, I got dogs and stuff, so if I want to go out with the dogs, this will be really perfect for that. It's really cold here now in Europe, so this will come in handy. Of course, we need to try this on the feet so you guys can see how it looks and stuff. I will go and do that. Before I do that, please leave a like, subscribe to support the channel, let me know what you think. Would you wear this? I guess if you're living in California, you won't, because it's warm there, but if you're living in a colder country, or in Europe, or in Canada, or Greenland, for that sake, would you wear them? Do you think they are cool? You like them? I forgot to say that the price is really good too. It's about 100 bucks, so it's not too expensive, you know. It's a really great price for a lot of shoes. You really get a lot for your money. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will go and test it out.